So on the next part, all we have to do is actually perform the test. That's actually pretty easy, all things considered. Again, this one is assuming that you have a calculator. The next video in the playlist will assume that you don't have one. But for this, all you need to do is this. I mean, it's the same information we had before. We have the 80 smokers versus the 74 non-smokers. The standard deviations were, the sample standard deviations were 5 and 6 respectively, and the sample sizes were 26 and 32 respectively. One more piece of information that we're going to add on here is that we have an alpha that is equal to 0.05 because we are interested in that. And also, we need to remember what our hypotheses were. We stated it just above. All right, so we have our calculator up. Actually, hang on a minute. Okay, so we got our calculator up. We can take the information that we had from before and do a two-sample t-test rather than an interval this time. So again, menu, name of your class, name of the things that you're doing, and then two-sample t-test. We are inputting stats on this. So we input our information. We had 80 beats per minute with, actually I can't remember now. So 85 and 26 versus the 74 beats per minute for the non-smokers with a sample standard deviation of 6 and a sample size of 32. And again, for this one, we're assuming that we're just looking for a difference. We don't care one way or the other. And remember, we're trying to get a p-value that is less than our alpha of 0.05. So we hit OK. The information we are interested in here is the critical t and the p-value there. So we get a critical t of 4.1, 4.2 when you round, and then a p-value of 0.0001. So now we just got to record this. Or report this. This test gives a this test gives a critical t of 4.1. Sorry, my dog's losing her mind. Of 4.1 and a p-value of 0.0001. Now, clearly, that is less than 0.05. So, since this is less than our alpha of 0.05, we will reject the null hypothesis. And there you go. That's that.